I am Dinesh Nagori. I am a practicing chartered accountant. I am searching for some home lift, and through net I came to know this is a very handy and very easily installable, less space consuming lift is available. So I googled some more information about this company and I contacted somehow this company. It's a very good experience, a good technical support, good demonstration given by the company. I am fully satisfied with. It's very safe because it works on vacuum. What I heard and I read in the newspaper and this net. It's very safe. No, mainly my purpose was used for elderly persons because I am 60 plus, my wife is 60 plus, and we are facing difficulty for going upstairs, second floor and on roof. So I opted for this. Nibav is financially comparatively economical and less time consuming, less space consuming. My all friends are very happy, my family is very happy with this.